Think creating animations is hard? Think again. What if I told you there's a way to make stunning, attention-grabbing animations without any technical skills or hours of work? In this video, I'll reveal the laziest and easiest method to animate your designs using Canva. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to save time, this tutorial will have you creating pro-level animations in no time.
I have divided animation into 3 parts, starting with simple drag and drop. Create a new video project in Canva. Then go to Elements tab and search for your item. In my case, I will search for room. Go to Graphics tab and select the one which matches your style. Let me select this one and adjust its position. Now, I will select this person and adjust its position. You can always flip the design any way you want. Now search for other element like dog. Here is a quick hack to get only animated characters. Click on this 3 dot, then filter animated only. In this way you will only find moving characters. Select and adjust its position. You can always increase and decrease the timeline. We will animate the object using Canva's built-in animate function. Like previous example, we will search for object in Elements tab. Make sure you uncheck animated so that you will see all the graphics. Let me select any street and adjust its position. Let's input a walking person and filtered animated only. Nice. Now from here select the one that matches your style. Adjust its position. Make sure you drag the character to the side so that we can create a walking effect. Many of you may not know, but Canva has its own animation option which I will be using now. Click on this animate button. Then click on this bee icon. After doing so, drag the character from one side to other. Now select the movement style to smooth or steady. There you have it, a simple animation. Hit like and don't forget to share it with your friends if you learned something new. It's time to move background with the object. Search for your element. Now adjust the background. Now search for animated object. And click on animated. This time, we will animate the background.